My name is Catherine Campbell, and I am from Delta, British Columbia, and I am here with my concert band as a conductor. The reason we looked into doing Cuba as a band trip was we knew that they were so rich in culture with music, and I wanted to get my students in a completely new situation, very different from home, and find a way to get them just very motivated about music, about culture. And we knew that there were other schools from British Columbia who had done tours with Canada Cuba, so that's why we looked into this particular group.
Hi, my name's Claudine. I'm from Delta, BC, Canada, so just outside of Vancouver, and I'm here on my band class's annual music trip. Some of my favorite moments this past week have been visiting the community centers and the music schools, just because seeing all the other Cuban kids performing and loving the same things that we do, it's really inspiring since most of them are just on a whole other level of musicality. So I really love seeing that and being able to relate to them in that way.
Hi, my name is Liam, and I'm from Delta Secondary School in Vancouver, Canada. Well, this experience has inspired me and my friends. I think we're going to go home and try to create our own jazz group, and our teacher is supporting us in that, and I think we're going to try to do that when we get home.
My name is Kian Senes. I am from Delta Secondary School, Vancouver, Canada, and we are here in Cuba on a band tour to basically play and to experience the culture here. This experience in Cuba has helped me as a musician by, first of all, I've learned new rhythms here, Cuban rhythms, which I could not learn anywhere else, and then I learned a new piece because of this, and that has furthered me as a musician and just a person overall. One of the highlights is definitely visiting the culture centers and mingling with the kids that are there and just getting to play for them and then dancing with them, or just talking to them and seeing what they're interested in and what they like to do is really cool to see how the cultures compare.
With regards to the curriculum, this tour, it touches on every single aspect of it. We have music within the community and learning about the importance of music as a member of the community by visiting these community centers, the experiential part of music, and learning about, not just learning about rhythms and how to play them on your instrument, but actually feeling them and improvising and not having sheet music right in front of you. So using your ear and listening skills, which is just something that is very new for my students. We're very trained to have our music in front of us. So that improvisation part that we are supposed to be doing in class, it can be a little bit daunting for them. And here I've just seen them experience that side of things. It's been just incredible. Get into it.
My name is Chris Dobrovelny, and I'm here in Cuba with the Delta Secondary Band, and we are from Vancouver, Delta, just south of Vancouver. We're learning so much about the culture, the geography. We've been through caves and been, hiking behind waterfalls. So, the geography of the land's been amazing. And just practicing our Spanish. Many of the students are studying Spanish, so it's great to hear them speaking, in action, in Cuba. And just the music everywhere we look. There's just amazing music in the streets. Every corner, someone's playing the guitar, someone's singing. it's just been an incredible experience. Yes, I highly recommend this program to all teachers and administrators in Canada. It's extremely rewarding and just a wonderful experience.
My name is Andrea Hurd. I'm from Ladner, which is just outside Vancouver, and I'm here on a band trip with my school. I would definitely go back to Cuba, and I think you should go too, because there are just so many different things to see. And like as a musician and going with the band class, it was really cool to meet some musicians and sort of learn more of a Latin rhythm, because it's so hard to sort of get out of that box of 4/4 and like common time. And then besides that, there's also so many different things to see, and it's beautiful, and there's lots of good food here too. Try the ropa vieja. It was really cool to meet so many talented musicians here, and I can definitely tell it's going to change our sound as a band class and how we're going to perform from now on. We're definitely learning and improving. I would definitely recommend this program to kids back home. It's just like so enriching. There's so many things to learn here.
You know, traveling with Canada Cuba has been so much more rewarding than other trips with other agencies, just because of the connection to the people that you have. You know, you're not just going to visit a place, you're going to visit the people and getting to know the people, and that's just the best thing about Canada Cuba.
If you are considering a trip like this, please do it. It might seem a big thing to get started. It is so worth it. Just seeing it, you can't get anything like this in North America. You can't. You've got to get out to Cuba and try it out. And you will be so taken care of. The difference you'll see in your kids playing in just this week, the 1 week, it's actually quite unbelievable, and just the passion that you hear behind their sound from hearing these other groups. So if you're even considering it, do it.